Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel Bright Future with Bhavisha. Today we will study chapter number 3 Mindful Eating, a Path to a Healthy Body of Science of Class 6 of NCERT syllabus. So let's get started. Mindful eating, a path to a healthy body. Mindful eating allows us to fully appreciate the sensory delight of eating and to be more conscious of the amount and nature of all that we eat and drink. What is mindful eating? Mindful eating means paying attention to what you eat, eating slowly and enjoying your food, not eating while distracted like watching TV or using a phone. Recognizing when you are hungry and when you are full, it helps prevent overeating and keeps the body healthy. Eating on autopilot versus eating with awareness. The chapter explains how many people eat while distracted, watching TV, talking, scrolling, rushing to finish quickly. This automatic eating causes overeating, not enjoying food, eating past fullness, digestive discomfort. Why do we need food? Food is needed for energy to work, play and think. For growth, especially in children, for repair of body tissues, for staying healthy and fighting diseases. Components of food or nutrients. Food contains different nutrients. Each nutrient has a special role. Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, roughage or water are all nutrients. A. Carbohydrates, main source of energy, found in rice, chapati, bread, potatoes, sugar. B. Proteins, help in body growth and repair, found in milk, eggs, pulses, meat, fish. C. Fats, give more energy than carbohydrates, also help protect organs, found in butter, ghee, nuts, oil, cheese. D. Vitamins, protect us from diseases, keep eyes, skin, bones healthy, found in fruits, vegetables, milk, eggs. E. Minerals, needed for strong bones, blood, teeth and overall body functioning. Examples: calcium, iron, found in milk, leafy vegetables, fruits, nuts. F. Roughage or fiber, helps in digestion, found in vegetables, fruits, whole grains. G. Water, essential for all body functions, helps in digestion, circulation and temperature control. What is balanced diet? Balanced diet contains all nutrients, carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals, along with fiber and water in the right amounts. A balanced meal includes grains, rice, roti, vegetables, fruits, protein-rich food, dals, eggs, milk, meat, minimal junk food. Importance of mindful eating: prevents obesity, improves digestion, reduces stress eating, helps maintaining a healthy body weight, increases awareness of healthy and unhealthy choices. Thank you. I will be continuing continuing with the next lecture. 5 healthy eating habits, mindful practices, eat fresh and clean food, wash fruits and vegetables before eating, chew food properly, drink enough water, avoid overeating and junk food, eat at regular times, do not skip breakfast, listen to your body, stop when full. Thank you. I will be continuing with the next lecture.